What's good, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a close look at the MSI Crosshair 15 R6 EB12 UGZ Rainbow 6 Extraction Edition 15.6-inch laptop. It's powered by the i7 12th generation processor, and this laptop definitely packs a punch for all your computing needs. It comes with 16 gigabytes DDR4 RAM, but it is upgradable 64 gigabytes DDR4, and if you have the US version, you can also go up to DDR5. What's more, it comes with a dedicated 3070 RTX NVIDIA 8GB DDR6 graphic card, making a perfect choice for gamers and designers alike. Today, we're going to do some gaming tests to see how well it performs under pressures and taking a closer look at its features. So stay tuned for the whole video. So this is the MSI Crosshair 15.6-inch laptop, 12th generation chip. This one has a theme color to it. It's yellow, so it's not for everybody, but I bought this for specs. So this is the, I think, Call of Duty edition. A very interesting fade here. Now this is a gaming laptop, so of course they highlighted the main keys for shooters. It's got the GeForce 3070 packed in here. You have an RJ45 LAN port adapter, HDMI 2.0 port, Type-C USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, Type-A USB 3.2, headphones jack. On the other side, you've got your DC in, USB 3.2 Gen 1, and USB 2.0 port. This one is upgradable to 64 gigabytes of RAM DDR5, but it comes with 16 DDR4. I don't know why they opted to do that, but they did. Here's your power supply. The power supply is actually quite big. It's big and it does get hot, but it is what it is. It's by Chiconi. So let's go and plug this in. We have a Spectrum backlit keyboard, which means it's green on down keys, blues on center, and yellows on the upper keys. And it's definitely comes in handy in the middle of the night when you're working or gaming. We have a 15.6-inch QHD 1440p screen. It's anti-glare display with 165 Hz refresh rate, which comes with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and it can reach brightness up to 300 nits. By the way, you can choose Full HD 1080p with 144 Hz display as well. Now the overall screen colors are pretty perfect, but I was expecting a little more thinner screen bezel. The laptop has a 53.5 watt-hour battery, which gives me about 2 to 3 hours of video editing and Photoshop, or I get about 4.5 to 5.5 hour stretch when I'm just doing videos, browsing the internet, or doing some administrative work. So this is the webcam test of the MSI Crosshair 15.6 laptop. There are two filters in here. There's one called the smooth filter, which is essentially going to just kind of like blur out your face a little more. And then there's the regular version. It's 720p, it's not 1080p. I'm about 2 feet away right now from the laptop, and what you are hearing right now is what's recorded in terms of audio from the webcam. Now it's time for the gaming test. So the first game we're going to try is the Far Cry 6, and we're going to be testing it in ultra settings. We will test all our games on 1440p because of its panel. Now you can see it giving 79 to 85 frames per second, and as you can see, temperature also. Now the second game is Forza Horizon 5. We're testing it at extreme presets, and it's giving me 70 plus frames per second. And the last game is Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5 on very high presets, and it's giving me 110 frames per second. So if you're a gamer, video editor, or programmer, then you can choose this laptop and be 100% satisfied with your choice. Overall, in video editing or gaming experience is great, so I definitely recommend this laptop, and I'll see you guys in the next one.